Stock investing and option trading for July. 12 trading days from July 1st to July 18th. I made over 10,000, almost 11,000. There is a holiday and Saturday, Sundays are public holidays, so you need to think about only the trading days. Okay, so that's really good. And I have a new portfolio. I started with zero, so a few thousand, 10,000 over the past 1 to 2 years. It's already over 138,000. The past week alone, 5 days alone, it's up 5.3%. If you invest in commercial deposit or certificate deposit (CD), they pay you only 4% for the whole year, right? This already beat CD very easily. Even for real estate, the best return you could possibly get is 7%, 10% annual return if you are going to lease out your apartment or a house, right? Plus, you need to worry about tenant not paying you and damaging your property. There are lots of stuff like that, right? So you need to talk to the tenant, or you need to hire a property manager. Here, stock investing and option trading, you don't need to do and talk to anybody. You just stay home or you travel around the world. As long as you have a laptop or a phone, you can do that. And here I want to show you the possibility, so that if you have a dream, vision, you can make it happen. Will everybody get it? No, but it's possible. The past month, my portfolio is up 23%. And within 3 months, my portfolio is over 124%, so more than double. Okay, I want to show you the possibility, and today we're going to talk about 7 stocks that's going to be reporting earnings this week and what happened last week. And we're going to look at some of my favorite stocks as well. Okay, because if you look at it, this is a stock that I gave it to you. METC, it's already gained over 29.9% within one day. Look at this. I talk about it in this video. 16.46% gain in 6.5 hours. The same day I made a video, it was up only 22.64. So the next day, it's up 24.94. So some of the day trade stock, they can have late, right? Even if I show you right now, they could possibly go up, right? So put it in your watch list. Okay, and S&P 500, it was barely up 0.67%. Year to date, 7.3%. See, 7.3%. It's not exciting at all, right? Of course, it still beat real estate. Okay, beat real estate commercial deposit. If you just put that money in, you don't want to study or do anything, you're lazy, just put it. Don't sell it. Ups and down. See, maximum. Down, up, stay up at the end. So for the past 5 years, your money will have more about double, right? About double. So even if you do nothing except DCA and put it in the stock market regularly, US stock market, okay? Not every stock market is equal. So you don't get emotional, you don't FOMO, or you don't sell when it panics. So you could possibly get 95.82% over the past 5 years. Nasdaq, the past 5 days, 1.47%. Okay, year to date, it's 8.3%. Not bad. 5 years, 1.1%. So we want to remember this return, 95.82%. When we look at the 7 stock, let's see if they beat S&P 500. If they beat S&P 500, this could be a stock that we could possibly invest in. If it doesn't beat S&P 500, but if it used to be S&P 500, that would be a different story. Okay, and Dow Jones down 0.01% the past 5 days. Year to date, it's up 4.6%. The 5 years up 67.52%. See, up 67.52%. Yeah. JP Morgan, it moved up a little bit after earnings last week, Johnson Johnson, it moved up, but I'm sure that it's gonna come back down because look at it, it's so predictable. Down, up, down, up. It wouldn't move up more than $180. Okay, the past 5 days, 5 years. So I don't think this is an exception. It may not move up 180. So of course, if it move above 180, so that will be a breakout. Okay. So yeah, this is not an exciting stock. 3.8% dividend yield. So this could be stable stock, for retirement. But even for retirement, you could use options or advanced options to generate income regularly. BSC up 1.11%. The past 5 days, I'm not interested in banks, so I'm not going to look at it. Yes, man, look at this, down 7.92%. This will go up eventually. So either we own the stock or we use call option to utilize the bounce back. Okay, bounce back. Of course, this is nothing in this video is financial advice. This is what I'm thinking. So I want to tell you what I'm thinking and what I would do. Morgan Stanley down 1%. So Goldman Sachs up 1%. PNC barely moved. TSLA, it moved up. Yeah, this is it. Probably after Nvidia, I like this stock. Okay, I like this stock. TSMC. I used to not like this stock because if China takes over Taiwan, this could be in jeopardy. But now they are building factories in the US, and it may not be the case anymore. So I can think about buying, or I can own this stock. So, and next one is now Netflix. They beat revenue and profit, but it went down because very simple. Overvalue, valuation is high and high expectation. So some investors took profits. That's it. ASP down. Where did customers stay spending money? But it still went down 3.46% because people are possibly expecting higher inflation, higher tariff, which cause higher inflation, and which could cause consumers to spend less. And this week, it's going to be quiet week in terms of news. PMI only Thursday, yeah, only that's it. Possibly quiet week. Stock number 7, Domino Pizza. They have branches all over the world. I travel around the world. I saw them in Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, Vietnam. 5 years, it doesn't be S&P 500. It's a restaurant business, okay? It doesn't be S&P 500, so I'm going to pass. Next one, Radium. This is a weapon, aerospace and defense. They also have some industrial. It beat S&P 500. Yeah, but the thing is that I think it may be overvalued, so I'm not going to invest in that. I can put it in my watch list. Aerospace and defense may not really be my area of interest to invest in, so I will just keep it in my watch list. That's an instrument. Yeah, this is a chip semiconductor company. Okay, but it's not related to AI, so that's why it doesn't beat S&P 500, only 67.1%. So they manufacture calculator like this. I use their that's an instrument, since high school, calculator. But it doesn't mean that you have to buy the stock. You have to own the stock. One good way to start investing in stock is to look up the products you use. Yes, you could invest in those companies, but not all the companies, right? For this is like you are dating. Let's say you are a girl. You are dating a man. Okay, you are dating a man. He goes to office every day, come back, get a regular paycheck, 2 to 3%, pay raise every year, 3% pay raise. You may think it's stable, but the thing is that if he get fired, he doesn't have anything. He doesn't study. He doesn't try to start his own business, right? He doesn't try to monopolize his market value. So it's not a stable company at all. If it's not, you are not improving. And if he's just an office employee, how much could he earn? He's not definitely going to make more than his boss. So that's why this type of company, it may be a good company, but it's not a great company. So I'm not going to invest in that. Okay, I'd rather take a world traveling millionaire. Okay, millionaire, and be excited about it. He start new businesses, and he has a lot of going on, but he can live anywhere around the world. Okay, so this is men are like companies because they make money. Okay, so companies are like men. So I will possibly buy Google, right? I use it every day, and I use YouTube every day too. So rather than Texas Instrument, Google may be a better company. So you need to think about this way because Google is monopolizing everything. It has a higher margins. Texas Instrument may not have a higher margin. Next one, Lockheed Martin. Yeah, year to date down 3.79%. 5-year 20.13%. It does not beat S&P 500, but I think it used to be. It's another value right now, so I can put it in my watch list. I can use advanced options. I can set up put options to wait until it drop to maybe 400 or whatever. Year to date is the lowest is 423. Yeah, 400 will be a good price. It also pays dividend 2.85. In case of war, this stock could go up. Okay, in case of World War III, this stock could go up. So 400 will be a good price, for me to enter. So I could sell put option at the strike price around 410 or 400 if I could get it. So that would be a very good, and a value, good company. Okay, I would not say it's a great company. It's just because it doesn't beat S&P 500, and it's not an area that I'm really interested in. Google, yeah, this is another value, definitely. Year to date, in my opinion. Okay, 5 years is beat S&P 500. S&P 500, it also pays dividend, just very minimal. That I could sell put option to make money, and yeah, so this is like monopoly. I love monopoly businesses. Okay, so it has been around for at least 10 years. My second criteria. It has been public company for at least 5 years. My third criteria. Do I understand this business? Do I love this business? Yes, I love search engine and advertising. I also love YouTube. 5. Does it have any great balance sheet or income statement? Yes. So this is definitely a yes for me. Tesla is down 13.09%. 5 year. It beat S&P 500, but this is very volatile. Elon Musk, he's not focused on Tesla yet. Okay, he wants to do politics, which could impact Tesla quite a lot. Okay, so I'm going to stay away from Tesla, and it's overvalued. Stock number 1, TMO, Thermo Fisher Scientific, is undervalued in my opinion. Year to date down 21.63%. 5 year it doesn't beat S&P 500, but it could reverse. Look at this. This is like really going up. Once interest rate goes down, so this could be a good company for reversal. So but selling option is not, buying option is not good either because their spread is too high, too different, too far. Selling option may not be a bad idea. Yeah, I could sell option. If I want that the past 1 month is up 4.24%. Yeah, so sell option to take delivery around, I would say, yeah, now is a very good entry point around 400. See, around 400, yeah, it's probably good to take delivery. Take delivery of the stock at 400 and sell it probably at 667. So it would be like 20,000 profit. Yeah, 20,000 profit. Very good. I only have full cost spread on this one. So if it goes up, really great. Okay, if you want to learn more, go to Master Risk Stock Options, go to playlist. You can learn about stock investing, call option, put options, advanced option If you want to start to open an account, the link gonna be in the YouTube description comment down below. Share, subscribe. I will see you.